G'day gang, how you going? Sky Pilot here. Welcome to my channel. Well, it's such a still, lovely, balmy, blue sky, sun setting type of evening. I just had to bring the HGLRC MotoWhoop down. I've got the bonker underneath, the 463S. Lightweight. Let's go for a scoot around. This thing's a heck of a lot of fun. We'll see how far we can get today. I'm going to try for over the tennis courts there. Wish me luck. Thanks for stopping by. HGLRC. I love this thing. I love the lights on this. And if you'd like the easy CLI dump so you guys can have the same thing, yeah, let me know. I'll forward them on. Sporting 400 milliwatts, folks. I have got my camera facing down slightly, that's why you can see the prop guards there, but that doesn't bother me too much. Normally I'll start breaking up about here. I'm still showing 99 RSI. Yeah, you guys have seen me review this in past videos. You'll certainly know that it is a great performer and magpie chaser. Yeah, a great little performer with excellent VX capabilities. And for some reason, a random flip. Not too sure what's going on there. It was a random roll actually. Quite interesting. I may investigate that later on beta flight. If anybody knows why it may randomly roll like that, can you let me know? Let's just try that again. So full power, down I come. Not too sure what's going on there. Quite exciting though. Oh, I think there's someone playing tennis down there. I better stay clear of the tennis courts. I don't want to annoy anybody. I'll see if I can induce one of those random rolls that I just did. It's quite interesting. Okay, flying into the sun, we need to be careful. There we go. There's another one. Okay, not too sure. There's one there, and there. Okay. Low battery. Oh, just getting the hang of that. Okay, let's bring it home. Yeah, what do you think, guys? A random flip and a random roll. This thing is great fun, even if it does roll on its own. And of course, when it says land, you land. Yes, when it says land, you definitely land. Okay. Not too sure what's going on there with those random flips and rolls. Pretty exciting nonetheless. Yeah, leave me a comment, guys. Yeah, leave us a comment if you have any ideas as to why it's just rolling like that. I'm not too sure what's going on. That's quite interesting. A bit of a mystery. Good to see you guys. Short, sharp and shiny. See you in the sky. Take it easy. Ciao for now. Bye bye.